By default, social media icons are visible in the user interface of the AhsayOBM or AhsayACB clients upon opening. These icons can be hidden through modification of the GUI settings section of a chosen policy group. To hide the social media icons, follow these steps. Go to AhsayCB's web console. Click Users, Groups and Policies. Select Policy Group. Then select a policy group. Go to GUI Settings. Look for links to social media. Untick the checkbox under the View column of the links to social media. And leave the checkbox under Apply ticked. For AhsayOBM or AhsayACB version 7.6 and above, you will need to manually untick the checkbox under the View column of the specific social media platform in order to hide their icons within AhsayOBM and AhsayACB's clients. Click on Save. Reopen AhsayOBM or AhsayACB application to see the changes.